In today's video, I'm going to teach you Get NordVPN. By the end, you'll know how to choose a plan, install the app on your device, log in, connect to a server, and make the most of the built-in security features. First, head to the official NordVPN website and choose a subscription plan. You'll see options like Basic, Plus, Complete, and Prime. The plans differ by included extras, so pick the one that fits your needs and budget. Longer subscriptions often bring better value. Create your account during sign-up, review the summary before you confirm, and complete the purchase. If you're new to VPNs, remember, this simply creates a secure, private tunnel for your internet traffic, which can improve privacy and help protect you on public networks. Next, download and install the app for your device. On Windows or Mac, grab the installer from the website and run it, approving any system prompts. On mobile, open your device's App Store, search for NordVPN, and install the official app. After installation, it's a good idea to allow notifications for important connection alerts and consider enabling auto updates so you're always on the latest version. Open the app and log in with the credentials you created during sign-up. If your device offers it, you can enable biometric or system-based sign-in for quicker, more secure access next time. To connect, the simplest method is Quick Connect. Tap or click the large Quick Connect button, and NordVPN will automatically choose a fast server near you. If you want more control, pick a location manually using the interactive map or the country list. This is handy if you need a specific region for speed, local content, or work requirements. Once connected, you'll see a status indicator confirming your secure connection. Now, explore a few key features. Threat protection helps block ads, trackers, malware, and malicious sites. Look for the shield icon and toggle it on. It runs in the background and can make browsing safer and snappier. Next, open settings using the gear icon and enable the kill switch. This ensures your internet is blocked if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, keeping your traffic from leaking onto an unsecured connection. Finally, check out specialty servers if you have specific needs. Choose P2P for torrenting, double VPN if you want your traffic routed through 2 servers for extra layering, or Onion over VPN for additional anonymity via the Tor network. That's it. You've signed up, installed the app, logged in, connected at Krahasao, and turned on the essentials. Stay safe and enjoy your more private internet experience.